Hey guys, welcome back to Mummy Cooks Homemade. Today is not the haul as usual. Today is a recipe and it's a rich dark chocolate cake. Oh, this was so good. This is for the chocoholics out there. So you want 185 grams of butter. Or margarine, whichever. First you need to preheat your oven to 160C, 315F or gas 2 to 3. So in with the butter, I'm going to put in 250 grams of dark chocolate or 1.5 cups. And I'm going to melt them together, as you can see at the bottom there. Then, I don't know what flour you call this in the States. It's 215 grams of self-raising flour, or 1 3/4 cups. Make sure you sift this so you get a really nice cake. Then 40 grams or 1/3 of a cup of good quality cocoa powder. Just push some last bits through. This was so good. So there's the butter and the chocolate together. What you're going to do is pop in superfine sugar or caster sugar, 375 grams or 1.5 cups. What you're going to need for this is a 22 centimetre round tin. Just line the base and spray the outer edges of the tin. So you're going to mix this into the chocolate. Then you're going to add in 3 eggs. Do them one at a time, if you can catch it. Once you've added the 3 eggs, you need 250 ml or a cup of water. Into that chocolate mixture and mix it well. This right here is why it is so rich. An easy cake, but definitely one you could take to a family gathering or, like us, just eat for no particular reason. Make sure the eggs are well mixed in. Keep mixing. Make sure it's well incorporated into there. And then you're going to add that water in. So there goes the water into the flour mixture. You could have added it into the chocolate, it really wouldn't have mattered. And then you're going to add the chocolate in, and then you're going to mix until well combined. Try not to overdo it, just get it so that it's all mixed together. That was the safest way to do it with the water in there. There we go. Mix in now. There's always them corners at the bottom of the dish as well. So make sure you give it a good scrape. So I always tend to make sure if I'm doing cakes and such that my oven's preheated for 15 minutes. This is not a requirement for this cake, but I do like coffee extract, and this is Brazilian coffee extract. You don't taste the coffee, it just makes it taste even more chocolatey. Brings out the flavour of the chocolate. So you can use a springform tin, or you can do as I've done. As long as it's greased properly, there'll be no problem with it coming out. They're nice, heavy shot glass tins, so I like using these. So pour it into your tin, and you're going to bake this for 1.5 hours, or until a skewer comes out, or a toothpick, whichever you use, comes out clean when you put it into the centre of the cake. So you're going to leave it, you can see I've done the lemon bars at the same time. Leave it to cool down, leave it 15 minutes in the tin, leave it to cool down. Once you've turned it out, there's no cutting this in half, your chocolate topping goes on top, and that's 20 grams of unsalted butter and 125 grams of dark chocolate heated together. You can do it in the microwave or a double boiler, whichever, and then put on top of the cake. So you can see how thick that cake is. Because it's so rich, I put the Smarties on for the girls afterwards. If you put frosting in the centre as well, in my opinion, and I'm a chocoholic, it would be too much. So there's my lemon bars. I've made these twice now, and they go really, really fast. So yeah, I keep showing my lemon bars. That's because I filmed them both at the same time. So yeah, it's as easy as that, and it's one of the best chocolate cake recipes I've got. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share if you can, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!